Hi everyone. Discipline your disappointments. How do you respond when something doesn't go the way you want it to be? Ikaw ba yung napipiti na tao or ikaw ba yung madaling ma-discourage when things go wrong the way that we expected? We are not expected that way. Madali ka bang ma-distract nito? Do you allow yourself distract you from the goal that you have? Do you lose sight on the journey because you experience a little bump on the road? Bakit hindi natin piliin that we make sure that we get the very most out of your disappointment? That instead dwelling yourself in that situation, or you feel that you have the right to feel disappointment, instead of feeling that way, you see the other side of it. You see the beautiful side of it instead of negative thoughts, negative pattern. Many people focus on the little things that didn't work out and the way they want it to be. Instead, we have to see the lessons that we need to learn. Example, we have glass in front of us and that glass is half empty. Many people focus on the lack, what they wanted, and how life had dealt with it. Disadvantage. They focus on the disadvantage and the negative things. Why? Why is it like that? Why not focus on the blessings and the skills that you have? So, there's a wise man said, gustong-gusto ko to. Sabi niya, for things to change, I have to change. For things to be better, I must be better. So, I believe the change is a start with a choice. We have a choice how to look at things the way that we want it to be. Merong ang story na sabi, gusto ko din to quote nito. Lagi siyang nagde-demand, lagi siyang umaangal na wala siyang shoes. Pero nung makilala niya yung isang taong walang paa, doon niya na-realize how lucky he is. So, let us begin to change the way that we think. Example, the glass that we have in front of us is half full. Rather than of seeing that half empty, so why not seeing that glass full? We must learn to discipline our disappointments. The path to success in the business and life is not about avoiding disappointment, but learning to take stride, learning to overcome challenges, learning to how to respond in the situations that we have. You simply cannot take disappointment personally. Example, we have prospects sa life natin and or sa business natin, and that prospect didn't respond the way we wanted. We have to choose. Either we feel disappointed or we choose to learn that situation is something we must learn things on that situation. We are not perfect. If we created a radical situations that we make a mistakes, it's a normal thing, because we don't take it personally, because no one is perfect. So kailangan lang natin magkaroon ng positive mental attitude, that we focus on the glass instead of being half full. Nakikita natin na it's full, na dapat ganun natin tingnan. Kasi kapag tinignan mo yung glass half full, it's always feel empty. It's always you feel kulang. Just to begin to see that half full of glass, and you will see it will overflow. It's all up to you whether you choose to focus on the negative thoughts or positive thoughts. Pwede mo nga sabihin my glass is half full and the other half was delicious. So it depends on you, how you discipline yourself on your disappointments. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.